Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue the remaining part of the autobiography, The Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. Here, in our last one class, we have seen the awards and the recognitions of Bismillah Khan, or the recognitions Bismillah Khan got all around the world. Yes, and it is a long list as we have seen. Yes, the gifts he got from Zahir Shah, then the invitations he got from the various halls, centers, and then the Montreal means World Exposition in Montreal, then Art Festival, Osaka Trade Fair, then even one of the auditoriums in Tehran was even named after him, and that we have already seen, Tahar Mozikiu Ustad Bismillah Khan. Okay, so these are the recognitions that he got, and we have already done this in our last one class. Besides, we have seen that the awards, the Indian national awards he was awarded with. Yes, first one Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and at last he was awarded with the highest civilian award of India, and that is Bharat Ratna. Means all the 4 Indian civilian awards are conferred on him. So we can understand by these what a great personality he was. Yes, कितनी बड़ी great personality होंगी ये हमें समझ में आता है. And up to here we have completed in our last one class. Okay, so today we are going to continue the remaining part. Yes, let's see what is given there. In 2001, year is also mentioned there. In 2001, okay, in 2001 he was awarded, or this Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Yes, when? In 2001. In 2001 he was awarded with the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Then look at the what is given with the coveted award. Coveted means much desired. मतलब हर किसी को चाह होती है कि मुझे भारत रत्न जैसे बड़े अवार्ड मिले. एंड एवरीवन इन इंडिया, इन आवर कंट्री, आज भी देखोगे तुम बहुत से लोग चाहते हैं इंडिया में कि जिन्हें ऐसे भारत रत्न जैसे अवार्ड मिले, और इसीलिए इस अवार्ड को कवेटेड अवार्ड कहा जाता है, जिसके लिए हर कोई लोगों के मन में, यार हर किसी के मन में इच्छा होती है. सो हियर विद द कवेटेड अवार्ड रेस्टिंग ऑन हिज चेस्ट and his eyes glinting with rare happiness, and while this award was bedecked on his chest, जब इस award को उनके chest पे लगाया गया, when his chest was decorated with the Bharat Ratna award, the most coveted award, his eyes were shining, glinting means shining with happiness, rare happiness, and definitely it is rare happiness. बहुत कम पाया जाने वाला आनंद है ये, कितना बड़ा अवार्ड उन्हें दिया गया. So that time he was too much happy, you can say, or in his eyes there was rare happiness, and his chest was decorated with or bedecked with the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. And when he was awarded in 2001, on that occasion, look at what he said. अब उस ओकेजन पे उन्होंने देखो कुछ शब्द कहे, और उन शब्दों में का जो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और कीवर्ड्स जो बोलेंगे वो यहाँ दिए हुए हैं. So what he said on that occasion when he was bedecked with, or when his chest was bedecked with the highest civilian award, on that occasion he said, all I would like to say is, look at the very important word these are, okay, all I would like to say is। अब देखो उनको उस ओकेजन पे जो कहना चाहते थे, जो उनमें उनके मन में चाह थी, वो क्या थी? देखो, ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से इज टीच योर चिल्ड्रन म्यूजिक। टीच योर चिल्ड्रन म्यूजिक, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, टीच योर चिल्ड्रन म्यूजिक। द मैसेज ऑफ बिस्मिल्लाह खान ऑन दैट ओकेजन, उस ओकेजन पे उन्होंने ये मैसेज दिया इंडियन लोगों को। यस, जो भी वहाँ प्रेजेंट थे और जो वॉचिंग लोग थे। यस, वॉचिंग पीपल, वॉचिंग वर्ल्ड जो था, इन सबको उन्होंने मैसेज दिया कि टीच योर चिल्ड्रन म्यूजिक, दिस इज हिंदुस्तान्स richest tradition, and this music is the richest tradition of our country। richest tradition, देखो उन्होंने म्यूजिक को इंडिया का richest tradition कहा, richest tradition of our country, of हिंदुस्तान। यस, ऑफ आर कंट्री हिंदुस्तान, हमारी जो कंट्री है हिंदुस्तान, इसकी सबसे बड़ी का रिचेस्ट ट्रेडिशन अगर है, सो दैट इज म्यूजिक। म्यूजिक इज द रिचेस्ट ट्रेडिशन ऑफ आर कंट्री। इवन द वेस्ट इज नाउ कमिंग टू लर्न आर म्यूजिक। इवन द वेस्ट मीन्स people from western countries are now coming to our country to learn our music। हमारा म्यूजिक सीखने के लिए हमारी कंट्री में ये वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज के, जो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज के लोग जो हैं, दे आर कमिंग टू आवर कंट्री टू लर्न दिस म्यूजिक। यस, नॉट ओनली यूरोपियन पीपल बट ऑल्सो द अमेरिकन्स ऑल्सो, means all westerns are coming to our country to learn music, and this music, it is the richest tradition of our country, so we should teach our children music। Yes, very important thing he told on that occasion। Yes, on that occasion when he was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 2001, he advised all the audition, he advised all the spectators to teach their children music। Why? Because it is our richest tradition, it is our country's richest tradition, and it is as much rich that the people from west or western countries are coming to us to learn music। So बाहर के लोग जब सीखने आ रहे हैं, सो वाई शुड नॉट वी टीच आर चिल्ड्रन आर म्यूजिक? हमारे बच्चों को हमारा ही म्यूजिक क्यों ना सिखाया? सो इट वॉज द क्वेश्चन रेज्ड बाय हिम, एंड ही एडवाइज्ड ऑल द स्पेक्टेटर्स टू टीच देम म्यूजिक। टीच आर चिल्ड्रन म्यूजिक। Okay, very important word these are। Okay, that can be asked, what was the message or what were the words delivered by Bismillah Khan when he was bedecked with Bharat Ratna award? Okay, so then look at the next part। In spite of having traveled all over the world, okay, though he had traveled all over the world, पूरी दुनिया ये घूम चुके हैं, though he traveled, okay, Khan Saab, as he is fondly called, Khan Saab, okay, actually Bismillah Khan was called fondly, okay, प्यार से सब लोग उन्हें क्या कहा करते थे? Khan Saab। okay, so then what happened? Khan Saab, as he fondly called, Khan Saab said, or Khan Saab is exceedingly fond of Banaras and Dumraon। exceedingly means more than anything, means though he had traveled all around the world, though he had traveled all over the world, but still Bismillah Khan was in fond of Banaras and Dumraon। As we have seen, Dumraon is the place where he was playing gilli danda, where he was going to the Bihariji temple and singing chaita and getting a laddu as a prize from local Maharajas। Banaras is the place where he learned the lessons, Yes, where he was going or accompanying his uncle Ali Bucks to the Vishnu temple. Yes, so these two places, these two places are very very important, or what you can say, the unavoidable part of his life, inseparable part of his life. Yes, so here he says, though he had walked all over the world, traveled all over the world, but he did not forget these two places, Banaras and Dumraon. Yes, there he said he is exceedingly fond of Banaras and Dumraon, and they remain for him the most wonderful towns of the world. And these both places, Dumraon and Banaras, both remained as the most beautiful towns in the world. दुनिया के सबसे ब्यूटीफुल अगर टाउन्स अगर कोई है इसके इनके लिए, तो दीज आर बनारस एंड दुमरौन. अब देखो, ये बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बोलने वाली बात नहीं है. देयर ही गिव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो कि how he think or how he thought these places wonderful, the most wonderful in the world. Look at there, a student of his once wanted him to head a Shehnai school in the USA. अब तुम कैसे कह सकते हो? So look at there, example is also given there. एक इंसिडेंट यहाँ उन्होंने मेंशन किया है. In this biography, that writer had mentioned an incident. Yes, an incident that happened with, or that proves that the Banaras and Dumraon are the most beautiful places for Bismillah Khan. Okay, अब how देखो कैसे. Once what happened? Once a student of Bismillah Khan wanted Bismillah Khan to head Shehnai school, which was opened in USA. USA में एक Shehnai school open किया गया था, and there that student of USA of that school wanted him to be the head of that school, उस school के head बनाना चाहता था. Who? A student from the Shehnai school in USA, अमेरिका के एक Shehnai स्कूल के एक बच्चा चाहता था कि बिस्मिल्लाह खां शुड बी द हेड ऑफ दैट स्कूल. यस, बट लुक एट द क्या होता है. एंड द स्टूडेंट promised to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temples there. And that student promised, he even promised to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras there. Recreate the atmosphere of Banaras there by replicating the temples. Replicating, copying. Okay, duplicate बनाना. डुप्लीकेट टेम्पल्स वहाँ यूएसए में बनाकर सेम वैसा ही एटमॉस्फेयर वहाँ निर्माण करने का भी उसने प्रॉमिस किया. हु? दैट स्टूडेंट हु ऑफर्ड हिम द पोजीशन ऑफ हेड इन दैट स्कूल. यस, but look at there, but Khan Saab asked him if he would be able to transport river Ganga as well. Ganga, do you remember what is the place of river Ganga in his life? Yes, Ganga is the river where he was, or on the banks of river Ganga he was sitting for hours practicing playing Shehnai. Even the flowing water of the Ganga inspired him to improvise and invent the ragas on the Shehnai. So Ganga, the river Ganga, has a very very important place in his life. Yes, and that's why there he says, yes, you can recreate the atmosphere of Banaras here by replicating the temples, but could you bring here, or could you transport the river Ganga here? And it was really impossible to transport river Ganga. अब रिवर गंगा को तो ट्रांसपोर्ट कोई नहीं कर सकता, रिवर कोई तो निकाल नहीं सकता. सो सेम हियर, दिस shows or this reply of Bismillah Khan to the student shows that Banaras and Dumraon are the most beautiful towns in the world for him. Yes, and that's why there he denied that student to be the head of that school. Why? Because as we have seen, he was fond of, yes, he was in fond of Banaras and Dumraon. Yes, he loved them. And then look at the what say, later he is remembered to have said, later he is remembered to have said, और उसके बाद भी और कुछ शब्द उन्होंने कहते हैं जिनके लिए उन्हें जाना जाता है, किसे? बिस्मिल्लाह खां को. That is why whenever I am in a foreign country, अब देखो कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट शब्द है बिस्मिल्लाह खां के जो बताते हैं कि दुमरान एंड बनारस बोथ टाउन्स हैव what you can say, the inseparable, or what you can say, the very very important place in his life. Yes, so look at there, अभी कैसे क्लियर होता है. That is why whenever I am in a foreign country, whenever I am in a foreign country, वो कहते हैं कि जब भी मैं फॉरेन कंट्रीज में होता हूँ, I keep yearning to see हिंदुस्तान. Keep yearning, yearning means desiring, desiring, हमेशा इच्छा होती है कि I could see हिंदुस्तान, कि मैं हिंदुस्तान को देखने जाऊँ, मिलने जाऊँ. While in मुंबई, और जब मुंबई में होते हैं, I think of only बनारस and the holy गंगा. और जब मुंबई में होते हैं, so that time बिस्मिल्लाह खां think of, बिस्मिल्लाह खां सॉरी thought of बनारस and the holy गंगा. Yes, and while in बनारस, और जब वो बनारस में होते हैं, I miss the unique माथा of दुमरान. और जब बनारस में होते हैं तब दुमरान को मिस करते हैं, द माथा ऑफ दुमरान. यस, सैक्रेड प्लेस माथा. यस, सो दिस वे हियर दिस पैरा इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द लव ऑफ बिस्मिल्लाह खां फॉर बनारस एंड दुमरान. यस, his love for these two towns. Yes, these two towns are the most beautiful towns in the world for him. Yes, even when a student of the Sehnai school in USA offered him to be the head of that school, he denied. Even that boy promised him to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temples there. Even after that, he denied to be the head. In a reverse, he asked him, could he transport the river Ganga there? And it was impossible. So this way he denied to be the head of that school. Yes, so such incidents are there which are mentioned here, which show that he was fond of Banaras and Dumraon, and especially of our country whenever he was in foreign. Okay, so I hope you might have understood this topic, this biography very well. So here the biography, the Sehnai of Bismillah Khan, completed. Okay, tomorrow in our next one video lecture we will begin another part. Okay, we will come with another any part of our syllabus. So guys, see you soon. Bye bye. Keep watching my videos and enjoy. But don't forget to subscribe the school channel. Okay, bye bye.